All right, look who I'm with. He's getting his camera going.
We got Cam here, the elevator and airplane finder.
Boston Elevators and Aviation. We're at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum.
Yeah, you got it.
A pretty large one at that, though.
It's a 4-speed door, I think.
2-speed center opening. Oh, wow, this thing is huge. Dang, okay.
Now, who did install this is what we need to find out. Okay, cab view. Basic boring stainless steel cab. There's Cam. This thing's massive, like.
Yeah, this thing's huge. Is the mezzanine open? It is.
Where's the capacity label? Is there a capacity label on that? Oh, 21,200 pounds.
That's wild. This thing is huge.
Up. We got a hydro.
Got a nice motor.
One more ride?
Oh yeah, definitely. Center down to the lower lobby. More of the museum up here. Giant doors.
We'll switch spots. The phone is on the other panel. Digital 88.
Yeah, I'm in my cab view. Like, holy crap, this thing is huge. Like, this is just standing in the back of the cab, and look how far away Nick is. Yeah, 21,200 pounds. That's wild. It's gonna open up over here. Are y'all going up?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to?
We don't know.
Winner's Gallery or main?
We'll
Okay.
go to the top, whatever.
All right, mezzanine it is.
We'll work our way down from there.
Yeah, makes sense. It's gonna open up on that side.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
Dang, I was not expecting something like this. As to who installed this, I don't know, but there's the QR code for the certificate, but I'll look it up later. I'm gonna get a still shot of the buttons.
I'm getting to still the indicator. That's massive. We'll do some of this.
I just got a still shot of the, yeah, look at those doors, that's wild.
And that'll be it.
That's gonna be it for me.